First of all, I have this aridi mango. I have this tiger bun, rock bun, pig bun, bear bun, puppy bun, this panda bun, husky bun, this creamy candy panda bun, this creamy candy panda bun with the tongue sticking out, Maru strawberry frost strawberry, Maru pearl strawberry, and the Maru red strawberry. This Ayam Tokyo mini banana toast, Cafe D and mango and strawberry gelato, Cafe D and strawberry eclair, Cafe D and strawberry cream puff, Cafe D and powdered donut, and lastly for my Cafe D's is this Cafe Dien white macaron with pink filling, I Bloom baby tanker, I Bloom mosquito tanker, I Bloom cat tanker, I Bloom normal face tanker, I Bloom non-reproduced Minnie the Whale, Snowy the polar bear non-repro, I Bloom taiyaki fish, I Bloom silver taiyaki fish, Sleepy orange hamster, pink hamster, pink milk bottle, blue milk bottle, gold bar, sugar, brownie, mocha cake roll, green tea cake roll, yummy bear donut, Cutie Creative fries, Cutie Creative tooth, Maru pink pumpkin, and here is the holographic tag, chocolate ice cream mochi seal, strawberry ice cream mochi seal, creamy candy marshmallow, ketchup puree tomato squishy, Maru peach mochi seal, Maru butter pancake, Maru berry pancake, mini koala bun, mini pink cat, Cutie Creative steam bun with writing on it, Cutie Creative pink steam bun, Cutie Creative White Cream Bun, Chippy no Uni de Lamkin Squishy, super soft and slow rising, Chawa Soft Serve, Chawa Rainbow Cake, this is the jumbo one, Chawa Mini Rainbow Cake, smells super good like cake, Angie's Loaf Squishy, super slow rising, KSI Miffy the Kitten Squishy, Mitty, is it Miffy or Kit? Mitty, Mitty the Coffee Kitten, Mitty, yes, Mitty. KSI Penguin, oh, sorry, Eric Chicken Leg, Huge Red Strawberry, Mini Red Strawberry, Mini Pink Strawberry, Mini Yellow Peach, Mini Pink Peach, Mini Pearl Yellow Peach, Chawa Watermelon, Chawa Honey Melon, just melon or something, I don't know. Cutie Creative Red Apple, Punimaru Pink Banana, can't really see how slow rising it is, but it is really slow rising. Punimaru Green Mini Banana, it's really slow rising too. Punimaru Yellow Banana, Pink Peach, Pink Peach Jumbo, Pink Yellow Peach, oh what? Yellow Peach, Orange Peach, Orange, Mini Apple, Mini Orange, Chocolate Banana, Strawberry Banana, Mint or Blue Banana, I don't know. Punimaru Jumbo Bakery Pink Crusty Bun, Punimaru Jumbo Bakery Cat Cornet, kinda rhymes, Cutie Creative thing, what is it called, loaf, chocolate loaf, I am Tokyo English chocolate English bread, I am a Tokyo normal English bread.